Hi, myself is Sai Paralkar, student of second year B Pharma from Ashok Mane Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research Survey. I am presenting the source of contamination of aseptic area and prevention. This video guided by Mr. A. N. Dhagesar. Aseptic area microorganisms are easily spread everywhere. A species is the method of practice to reduce or eliminate contamination from the working area and to make the area sterile and clean. The contamination are like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other parasites. The area free from contamination is known as aseptic area. Source of contamination. First atmosphere, second operator, third raw material, four building, five equipment, six packaging and manufacturing process. Atmosphere. Atmospheric gases, namely oxygen and carbon dioxide, are the main source of microbial growth. Oxygen has more significant effect on microbial growth. Dust particles in the outside air are the main carriers for the soil organism. The microorganism also present in droplets expelled out from the mouth and respiratory tract of human while talking, sneezing, and coughing. Methods of prevention. First, maintain the air humidity level inside the clean room. Second, operator should move as much as less inside the clean room. Third, aseptic rooms are maintained at higher differential air pressure that adjust and controlled areas. 4. Ultraviolet air lock and doors barriers must be used to separate areas and unequal risk. Operator. Operator are also another source of microbial contamination in skin, hair, and clothing of the operator. Skin mainly contains microorganisms like Staphylococci, Liphophilic. Health and hygiene conditions also play an important role in microbial growth. Wounds are also the source of saprophytic and pathogenic microorganisms. Methods of prevention. First, a high level of personal hygiene must be observed. Second, all the experienced workers whose activities may affect the quality of product must receive regular training. Third, personal access must only be made changing rooms. Fourth, material access must be a specified route, generally airlocks. Raw materials. The raw materials used for production can be potential sources of contamination. The main reason of contamination from raw materials due to storage and handling mistakes causing mix-ups or selection errors contamination with microorganisms or other chemicals. Methods of prevention. First, raw materials should be stored in proper dust-proof area with proper labeling. Water used in the manufacture of pharmaceutical product should be must for the intended used and should be a pharmaceutical grade, microbiologically controlled and monitored. Buildings. The buildings or manufacturing facilities may also contribute to the contamination. The main reason of contamination due to facility issues like insufficient size and unequaled organisms of this space, cross contamination between consumeless raw materials in progress materials and finished products. Methods of prevention. Interior surface, for example, floor, walls, ceiling should be smooth, free from cracks, and should permit easy and effective cleaning. Second, sinks within the production areas should be made of stainless steel. Third, pipe work, ventilation, and light point should be designed to avoid creation and recess which are different to clean. Equipment. The equipment and other accessories that are used in processing, holding, transferring, and packaging are the common source of microbial contamination. The main reason for contamination for the equipment and inappropriate design, size materials leading to corrosion and accumulation of static materials and adulteration with lubricants, coolants, dirts, and sanitizing agents. Methods of prevention. First, areas must be regularly cleaned and disinfected. Second, a high level of cleaning and hygiene should be practiced for the manufacture of drugs products. Third, suitable grade of cleaning agent should not be used to minimize the health risk. Fourth, materials used for cleaning should not come in direct contact with the product. Packaging and manufacturing process. Another way of contamination is the packaging material throughout the manufacturing process. The main reason for contamination during manufacturing process include lacks of dedicated facilities to manufacture a single product, use of an open manufacturing system exposing the product to the immediate room environment. Methods of prevention. First, flexible packaging used to inactive microorganisms associated with foods include controlled atmosphere, vacuum modified atmosphere, active and edible packaging. Second, manufacturing process should be maintained proper hygiene condition. Thank you.